Did you get stuck on OnlyFans not working or not loading or crashing error while accessing it? If yes, then this video guide will help you to troubleshoot the crashing issue and will be able to use it easily. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restart your phone. The first trick that solves almost every issue is by restarting your device. It has the ability to fix various issues. Simply, press and hold the power and then restart your device. After that, check for the error. Method 2. Check internet connection. Poor internet connection is yet another major reason for OnlyFans something went wrong error. Make sure that your device is getting proper and stable internet to use the app smoothly. Method 3. Delete cache and cookies on your phone. You are suggested to clear the cache and cookies of your device to get rid of the issue. First, launch Chrome browser, tap on More button. Here, you'll get search history, tap Clear browsing data. Ensure to select browsing history, cookies, site data and cached images and files option. In addition, choose a time frame or all time. After that, click on Clear browsing data option. Method 4. Turn off battery saving mode. Here's what you have to do. First, open settings on your phone. Now, look for the OnlyFans app and click on it. Next, disable battery saver mode if enabled. Method 5. Check availability of app in your country. It may happen that OnlyFans is not available where you live and so it's showing the OnlyFans app stuck on loading error. So you should check its availability on your country before using. Method 6. Check server status of OnlyFans app. When there is any kind of problem from the server and then also you can see OnlyFans not working error. So you are suggested to check the status of the app by visiting status.onlyfans website. Method 7. Update your phone. Follow the steps. First, open settings on your phone. Now, click on About Device or Software Update. There, click on Check for Update option is available. If yes, then tap on Download and Install option. Method 8. Update OnlyFans app. Follow the steps. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Now search for OnlyFans app and check if it needs an update. Finally, tap on Update option and then check if the app is working fine. Method 9. Deactivate VPN. You should also check if there is any VPN service interrupting while using the app. There are many users who use VPN services on their phones but some are not compatible. So disable it and check if the issue is fixed. Method 10. Reinstall OnlyFans app. First, press and hold OnlyFans app unless the menu appears. Now, click on Uninstall option, then tap on OK. After that, open Google Play Store, search for OnlyFans app. Finally, click on the Install option. Method 11. Open app on another browser. If you are using the app on any browser and it's showing an error, then you should open the app on another browser. Many users access the app on Chrome browser but get the error. So check it on another browser. Method 12. Take help from OnlyFans support team. After trying all the methods, if you still come across the same issue, then you should contact OnlyFans customer support. Explain the issue you are experiencing with them and they will try to resolve it. Method 13. Use a professional repair tool. If you are looking for advanced solution, then you can go for Android repair tool. This is one of the highly suggested tools by experts as well that works effectively to fix all types of issues on Android.